Hello, this is your channel Sosanasa 1 in English. Now I'm going to show you how to use a digital multimeter to measure temperature. This is very easy using this digital multimeter. Let's do it. Here I have a digital multimeter. This is very useful to measure temperature, voltage, and other electric and electronic things. Now I'm going to show you how to use this digital multimeter to measure temperature. The first step is disconnect the test probe. In this mode, the digital multimeter uses other thing to measure temperature. This means we can't use this for this mode. In this case, the digital multimeter includes this. Now, introduce this, the black here and the red here. Ready. And now, take this point. To measure temperature, this digital multimeter will detect the temperature in this point, in this little point, this. Now, set up the digital multimeter. This is very easy. Move this selector and choose, in this case, Celsius grade, in this case. And now we are watching the temperature here in this room where I am. Now touch with your fingers this and watch the digital multimeter screen. In this case, we are watching the live temperature of my body in this moment, like we are watching 35 Celsius grade. If you want this number on Fahrenheit, move the selector, and now we are watching the same number in Fahrenheit grade. And in this way, you can measure temperature using a digital multimeter like this. And in this way, you can measure temperature using this digital multimeter. This is your channel, Sosanasa 1 in English. I'm the engineer Emmanuel. Subscribe in our channel, give me a like, and share this video. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Subscribe to our channel Sosanasa 1 in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.